Hey there, you are welcome to Ghaneva Egg channel. I am Ghaneva, and in today's episode we are going to talk about how to get your tracking number on the 1688 app. So this channel is about mini importation, personal development and lifestyle, but today's episode we are going to talk about mini importation. So let's go straight into what today's video is about. So we will go to the me profile so that we will get access to to shape, to receive and so on, those icons that I explained in my video about the 1688 me profile. So let's click on the me. So when we click on the me, we have to pay, we have to ship, we have to receive, to review, to refund, oversee, help, collect voucher, footprint, your account, the price, membership, your settings and so on, which I've already explained in a video about 1688 me profile, so you can just go and check it on the channel. So let's go straight into what today's video is about. So to ship, this one, it simply means that I just made a purchase. Okay, so to ship means it is in transit to go to receive, which means that the shipping company in China hasn't received it yet. So if you want to check your tracking number, you have to go to this one to check your tracking number. We have other ways that you can also get your tracking number. I will tackle it in this video. So let's click on to receive. So when we click on to receive, we can see logistics here. We can as well see logistics here, and we can as well see logistic here. We can as well see logistic here. That is where we'll get our tracking number from. From the rest, like to buy, to confirm, I've already explained that on the channel. The video link is in the description box, so you can just click on it right away to understand all of these things. So let's go straight into logistic. Okay, let's go into logistic. So we click on logistic. Yeah, so when we click on logistics, we can see this here. That's our tracking number. When you check this part, it means that my things has been sent to the warehouse. So this is my tracking number. Now let's go back and click on this one as well, on logistic. Yeah, so this is also, let's check our tracking number from here as well. So let's click on this, that's track. If you also want to refund, you check on more to refund, but since today's video is about tracking number, let's click on tracking to check our tracking number. So this is our tracking number. This is our tracking number. So I hope you see the two different sides. One, it was directly here, and one, it looks like this to check your tracking number. Yeah, so this is how to get your tracking number. Two ways that you can get your tracking number. Now let's go into another way that you can check for your tracking number. So this tracking number is the number that you are going to give to your shipping company to confirm if they've truly received your items in their warehouse in China. So if your things has already been received, in this place, if your things has already been received and it has been to the review icon a long time ago that you didn't get a chance to check your tracking number in the to receive icon, you can as well check your tracking number in messages. Okay, so let's go into message to check our tracking number from that place as well. So when you come to messages, you could see this car, like a car icon here, this one. Yes, that's the place we are going to get our tracking number from. So let's also click right there. So it is loading. So we are going to click on an item I've already even received it. Okay, item that I've purchased some months ago, 5 months ago, that I've already received it. If I want to get the tracking number and information on that item, when I come to this place, I click on one of it. I'm going to get tracking number. So I want to click on something that I've already received. All these things I haven't received them. So let's scroll down to this two. This one too, I haven't received it. Good. So I have received this. Okay, I haven't received this thing though, but it is in the warehouse and they are shipping it. So the warehouse has already received this 1 month ago. Okay, but I want to click on something that I have received. But before that, let's click on this one because the warehouse has confirmed that they've received it in China. So let's click on this to also check the tracking number. After that, we will go into another one that I've already received and even done a product review on the channel. So let's click on this one. Good. So when you click on it, you can see that you have this here, and that's your tracking number. So even items that your company has already received and it is in your company's transit, that it has some few days to arrive, you can still check the tracking number, and that's where the tracking number is. When you see or check this part, you could see that my things has been shipped to the warehouse. That's why you could see the transit being in this place. Yes, so this is the tracking number. So let me also click on something that I have already received. Okay, okay, so I have already received this. Okay, and I've even done a product review on the channel, so you can check that video too on the channel, or you can check it in the description box so that you won't waste or you won't have much more time searching it on my channel. So let's click on this one, but this is where you are going to click. Okay, or you can also click on this one. So let's click on it. And here we have our tracking number right here. So this is another way you can check for your tracking number. If you've already received your items and you want to check for the tracking number, or if your shipping company has received the items a month ago or weeks ago, but you can't find your tracking number in the to receive icon, you can come to the message to check for your tracking number. So I hope you have learned a lot of things today on mini importation episode. So this is simply how you can get your tracking number on 1688, a summary of everything. If your items has been removed from to receive to be added to review, you can simply go to the message to check this place for your tracking number. This is all that I am talking about. So thank you all for watching this video, and I will see you in another video. I have personal development video on the channel, so please do want to also check it out, because I believe in this life you have to level up in all aspects of your life so that you can thrive in this life as others are thriving. So do want to also develop yourself individually on this channel. Thank you for watching this video, and I will see you in another video. Please do want to take good care of yourself, and you should know that I really appreciate you for watching this video. Bye.